So in the previous video we stated that we would be guiding you guys through NDA and CDS classes. So right now in this video we will be telling you about what are the exam, how it is conducted, and what are the patterns, and how we would be approaching the examinations. So the first, as I stated, the first examination that we would be focusing is on NDA, that is National Defense Academy. So National Defense Academy, this particular examination is held once, or I must say you are eligible to apply for this examination if you are in class 12th. Okay, so any of the students or any of the viewers who are in class 12th right now, they can go ahead and apply for this particular examination. This would help you, this examination would help you to go ahead and represent your country in these particular forces, that is armed forces, that is Indian military, okay, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. So if any one of the viewers who are interested in these particular examination or who are preparing for these particular sector can go ahead and apply through this exam. And then NDA examinations are held, like this examination is held twice a year. So first it would be May and June when the notifications are out. May and June, the notifications are out, for which exams are conducted in August and September, by August or September. And then there's another as I stated, there would be again twice a year it is held. So there again it would be held on March or April. September or October the notifications are out, for which the examinations are held on in the month of March or April perhaps. Okay, so once you go through this particular examination, once you clear this particular examination, there would be SSB held. Okay, and then there would be an interview. In that particular SSB itself you would be going through the interview. If you are cleared, you would be going ahead and joining NDA, and you will be getting your graduation certificate from one of the recognized universities such as JNU. Now coming back to the CDS, I'll leave that to this NDA for till right now up to here. Then I'll be going ahead and I'll be describing CDS for you guys. So it is Combined Defense Services. Again twice a year. So again Combined Defense Services, twice a year. This exam is also conducted twice a year. And again, let me tell you, this examination is bifurcated into two parts. So one is for AFA, that is Air Force Academy, IMA, that is Indian Military Academy, and then again it is Indian Naval Academy. And there is another part, that is OTA, that is Officers Training Academy. The basic difference is that you are commissioned for 10 years over here. And the examination difference is that over here you will be getting maths, that is quants. You will be having GS, that is general studies, and along with that you would be having English, while over here you don't have maths, you just have GS and English. Now coming back to NDA, okay. Now what are the portion that you need to cover for this particular examinations? So NDA examinations you need to cover CAT part, that is general abilities, and then after that you need to clear quants part, that is maths. Now general abilities is a very narrow term when it is used for such a huge spectrum of subjects. When I say huge spectrum of subjects, it means it involves science as well, it involves history as well, it involves constitution as well, along with that it includes geography, it includes economics, internal security, along with current affairs. Now the quants, that is maths, you'll always get maths like few of the portion we will describe about it later. Now CDS we are concerned, again as I stated, the GAT part would be the same. The depth might varies, the spectrum of topic might vary. Quants is again the level of hardness, or level of difficulty as I say, will vary according to the level you are appearing for. For NDA it might vary, and for CDS it might vary again. And the GAT would be again according to the variable difficulties you will have to cope up, and English would be simple, won't be much. English again it includes comprehension, so we will discuss about English. So let me tell you, it includes comprehension, passage, grammar, so these all would be there. And yeah, so basically this is the gist of the two examination that we would be helping you to cater, or we would be catering you to prepare for. And we would also be, as I stated in the last video, we would be providing you with the notes as well. Okay, now for the examination, as I stated, I should tell you the structure of the examination. So NDA examination, for the GAT part you have 150 question, and these accounts for the 150 questions, these total account for 600 marks. And again you have maths as 120 questions, would be accounting for 300 marks. That means total of 900 900 marks, and for every paper you have 2.5 hours. That makes 5 hours of exam for 900 of marks. My wishes to everyone who are preparing that they also go through if they are honest enough for their effort. And then, as I stated, CDS. Yeah, so CDS again, 3 papers, that is maths, GAT and English. So for every paper there is 100 marks, 100 marks, 100 marks. For every paper 2 hours, 2 hours and 2 hours. Okay, just for OTA guys there is no maths paper, just English and GAT would do for them. So we are done with our NDA classes gist and CDS. Our approach would be, so in our next video we would be going through the chapters and the topics that we would be going through under science, history, constitution, geography, economics. Basically my next video would be about history, how we would be going ahead and approaching history as our subject in this particular exam, for this particular examinations. It would help you for NDA as well, and it would help you for CDS as well. So for the next video my topic would be Indian Renaissance. Okay, so that would be my topic for Indian Renaissance, that would be guiding you. And for every examinations, for these particular examination for from Indian Renaissance, every year like we have 3 questions that is asked every year. Okay, so that means you would be basically having 10 marks to 6 marks that would be going under your kitty if you go ahead and clear this simple Indian Renaissance. Okay, and one thing that I missed out on was negative marking. So both the examinations have negative marking. So 1 by 3, that means if you go ahead in simple terms, 4 questions are wrong, your 1 marks would be off. Okay, so yeah, see you in the next video.